Today, we're going to talk about julienning an onion. Julienning, cut in strips, sliced onion. Call it what you want, but thin strips. Two methods. Cut the top off. Cut the root a little bit. Some people leave the root on. I prefer to get at least the tip of the root off because I think it's dirty. Cut it in half. Bada bing. Peel our onion. As always, sharp knife, very important. I can't do nice cuts with a dull knife, so keep it sharp. I want to remove the root by spining the root, cutting at a slight angle to make sure the root is gone so that when I cut the onion, it all falls apart. Boom. Okay. The root leaves. Sorry, root. Go into soup or something. Method number 1. Old school method. Not my preferred method, but here it is. Straight up and down. Straight up and down. Straight up and down. Straight up and down. Boom, boom, just straight, always straight. Once they get to this point where I am uncomfortable, where it is wobbly, push it over, boom. Again, here we go. Straight up and down. Okay. Method number 1. Why I don't like this method. All in the middle is fine. It works, it's okay. Here's what I don't like. Those first couple cuts. This kind of not evenness right here. I have these nice thin strips, and all those pieces that are at the edge, they're not as nice. They're not as accurate. They're not the same. There's my two edges. Like, look at that. Is it all right? Yeah, it's fine. If I'm trying to be as precise as I can, there's a better method. So, method number 2, my preferred method. New school method, I'm cutting at an angle towards the center, and as I'm walking up the onion, I'm turning my knife. All right, so let's do it. Instead of going straight, I'm at an angle. Here we go. Straight. Or sorry, angle. Working my way up the onion, using my finger as a guide. Now I'm 12 o'clock. I should be straight up and down. Going through. Okay, I'm uncomfortable now. I'm uncomfortable. Push it over. Boom. Once again, starting at that angle as opposed to straight up and down. Starting at that angle. There we go. Boom. Okay, that's it. With the second method, with method number 2, I never have this random ass piece. I never have this piece that just doesn't belong. If you're caramelizing onions, does it matter? No. If you're throwing them in a sandwich, does it matter? No. Does it really matter at all? No. But if you care like I care, you will cut the onion like this so you can get precision, nice julienne cuts, all very similar or very closely accurate. So that's why I prefer method number 2. You do whatever method feels the most comfortable to you. If you enjoyed this video or found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up. Please help me out. I'm trying to grow this channel. If you have any culinary questions, I'd love to make a video to help me out. Just tell me and I'll do it for you. Love you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.